Hi, hello all, welcome. If you're first time watching our video, please subscribe us and follow us on Instagram. And today my techie will be teaching me something and I'm ready to learn that. So what are you going to teach me today?
So today we will be seeing how to install a Visual Studio Code application in Windows machine. So we'll get into the video. So first search for a Visual Studio Code download. So we'll be uploading the link in the description so you can straight away access it. So download Visual Studio Code. This is the first link which we need to access. So currently we are in Windows machine. So we'll be choosing Windows. So ours is 64-bit. So we can take either user installer, system installer, or zip file. Click on the Windows icon.
Okay. So we can see that VS Code user setup exe file is getting downloaded.
Yep.
Okay,
So,
the download is complete now. What is my next step?
okay. Open that file. Accept the agreement and click on next. So choose the file. Choose the folder where you wanna save this file.
Okay, I want it to be in the same place. I don't want to change it.
Okay, then click on next. Okay, this will create a shortcut in start menu. So if you want to create a shortcut, you can click on next, or else click on the checkbox and go to next.
Okay, as I want a shortcut, I'll not check this. I'll be clicking on next.
Okay. So these are some of the shortcuts where you can open the Visual Studio Code easily. So if you want to enable this, you can enable any of this, or else you can click on next.
Okay, I'm checking the first one and clicking on next.
Now click on install. So the installation process in progress. So we'll wait until it get completed.
Okay, sure.
Okay, installation is completed. You can click on finish and it will automatically launch the Visual Studio Code.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Now you are ready to uh, edit the code in the Visual Studio Code. So you're good to go.
Okay, so I've successfully installed Visual Studio Code on my machine. Thank you so much for guiding me. Okay, if you like this video, please click on the thumbs up icon you are seeing there. And if you have any doubts regarding this, you can put those in the comment section. We'll be replying to those. Thank you.